Do you want to boost your brain power? Now, that's a question that piques interest. We all want to be at the top of our game, and diet plays a pivotal role in enhancing brain health and performance. Food isn't just a means to satiate hunger, it's fuel for our brain, the control center of our body. Enter smart drinks, a delightful blend of nourishment and taste. These nutrient-packed beverages are the superheroes of the dietary world, formulated specifically to amp up your mental prowess. They are packed with ingredients that enhance concentration, improve memory, and even ward off brain aging. In this video, we'll be exploring a variety of easy-to-make smart drink recipes, each with its unique blend of brain-boosting ingredients. From the refreshing green smoothie to the comforting turmeric latte, we'll cover a spectrum of flavors that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also sharpen your mind. Ready to whip up some brain-boosting beverages? Let's dive into our first recipe. Introducing our first brain-boosting drink, the green smoothie. This vibrant blend of healthful ingredients is not just delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that are essential for brain health. Begin by adding a cup of fresh spinach to your blender. Spinach is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support brain function. Next, toss in a ripe banana for a dose of potassium, which helps maintain the electrical conductivity of the brain. Then, add a green apple for a kick of quercetin, an antioxidant known to protect brain cells. Now it's time to enrich the mix with a tablespoon of chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that are vital for brain health. Finally, pour in a cup of almond milk and blend until smooth. The result? A delicious green smoothie that's as enjoyable as it is beneficial. Enjoy this refreshing drink in the morning for a brain-boosting start to your day. Next up is a warm, comforting drink, the turmeric latte. To prepare this golden elixir, you'll first need to simmer 2 cups of almond milk in a pot. As it heats, let's discuss our star ingredient, turmeric. This vibrant spice is a powerhouse of curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's a fantastic brain booster, enhancing memory and mood. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric to the milk, followed by a pinch of black pepper. Why black pepper, you ask? Well, it actually enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it more effective. Stir in a teaspoon of cinnamon and a dash of ginger. These aromatic spices are not just for flavor, they're rich in antioxidants, promoting brain health by reducing oxidative stress. Finally, sweeten your latte with some honey or maple syrup, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Enjoy this soothing beverage in the evening to calm your mind and enhance your brain function. There you have it. 2 easy-to-make, delicious, and brain-boosting drinks. We've stirred up a green smoothie, rich in antioxidants and brain-protecting compounds. Then, we whisk together a turmeric latte, a golden drink brimming with anti-inflammatory and mood-enhancing properties. These are more than just beverages. They're a testament to the power of nutrition and its impact on our cognitive functions. Each ingredient has been selected for its unique benefits, creating a symphony of nutrients that work in harmony to boost your brain performance. But remember, these drinks are not a magic bullet. They are a part of a balanced diet, a piece of the puzzle in maintaining optimal brain health. Pair them with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to fully unlock their potential. Boost your brain power with these smart drinks. Remember, a healthy brain leads to a healthier you. So, start sipping and enjoy the benefits.